All right. Welcome to the show. Nope. No, it's not. Today's scripture will be, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh to the Father but by me. So I believe it's John 14:6. Maybe 7 too. So, hi guys. Go and turn the music on. Hold on. Let's see if we can get some music playing. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want that. So, yeah. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going for a ride. Yeah, I'm just going for a ride. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm turning the cameras on, get my glasses on because it's nighttime and I need to see. Those that watch my videos, my name really is Curtis. My glasses on. Yeah, that's really my name. I don't have a problem saying my name. I don't need to be anything. I don't have anything to prove, so that's my name. And I like my name. My mom gave it to me. I'm happy with it. I can't go back and change it. I mean, theoretically, yeah, I can. But, yeah. And as I explained, when you, my voice is probably not exactly the way you hear it, because I have a ski mask on and I am using the purple Panda mic. It's beautiful out. It's like almost right before the stars come out. So I like my little neighborhood. You probably never see my bike too much, but there is my bike. It is a Ninja 2024 500 KRT, and I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna go ride. We're probably gonna go get something to eat. But yeah, so that's my name, and I have no problem with that. Oh, my neighbor's watering his grass. I'm just letting the bike warm up a little bit right now. Yeah. I forgot how. I have the Exo helmet on today, so I'm trying to figure out how do I lower the volume again. There it is. Oh. Oh, okay. So it's just one volume. Volume down, volume up. All right. She's warmed up a little bit. Let's saddle up, people. Let's saddle up. All right. Hey, last time you got to see my bike. It's very, you probably saw it on the top of my page, but yeah. So anyway, I produce videos or content. That's what everybody calls it, right? They call it content, right? Content. I'm not a content creator. I'm just a person that happens to record his rides, if that makes sense. Content creators spend time cutting and editing and stuff like that. I don't spend any time. You get it raw for me. Let me fix my helmet. Alright, you get it raw. And I wear my Exo helmet, so I'm worried about the angle because I didn't put the attachment on it, so I hope it's not looking into the ground. So anyway, if it is, then hey, it is what it is. There's a lot of water right here. She's always out here. Let's see. Doing my little lap. I don't know. I was gonna go the other way today. Let's see. Let me just go around to the light. Yeah. This helmet doesn't fit the way the other one, nice and tight. Look at all that stuff right there. Yeah. It's nice out. Nice out for a nice little quick ride. I had pizza the other day when I went out for a ride. I'm thinking ice cream right now, but I haven't eaten really today. I had a steak bagel from McDonald's. And what else did I have? The orange juice. I ate a couple crackers, saltines. I didn't really eat a lot today. But yo soy gordito porque en todos los días come mucho, so I just basically said that I'm fat because I eat a lot every day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my Spanish. Me and my Spanish. Alright, so I don't know what I want to eat. I'm gonna fix my glasses, fix my helmet. Maybe I should wash them. My pads. Oh, they got a yard sale. I don't know what I'm doing here. Let's go. It's all right. I'm listening to some John P. Key and the New Life Community Choir. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I should go get a Whataburger. What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? Taking a poll. Or let's go get some Greek food. How about that? Let's just go down there and get some Greek food. Let's make sure they stop. Nice and smooth around the turn. Just make sure they can see me. They can. It's alright, alright. Jesus, make it alright. Alright. Jesus, make it alright. Alright. Jesus, make it alright. This Fellowship of the Parks Church right there. Got a car. I am not running the light. I could have made it. I probably could. No, I couldn't have. Break it down. Good song. He was. Uh-oh, one of my favorite songs. We are the Dark Horses. Dark Horses by Switchfoot. I made my mistakes. I've been held them back again. One for the boosters. We'll survive the pain. One for the sunrise. We'll survive the pain. We're singing. We can't count us now. We can live in it, but that's the crowd. Hey, we are the Dark Horses. Net. Yeah, we are the Dark Horses. I found my way out. The city. Feel my lungs again. One for the blue sky. One for the sunrise. Just singing. Oh, she's cute. Okay. Let's go. This is a long light. Nah, 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 nah. They're trying to make that light. They did it. The sunrise. We'll survive the pain. Dum, 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 dum. It's not over now. People at the gym, YMCA, doing their thing. No tailgating, no tailgating, no tailgating allowed. Oh, that's what I'm supposed to do too. So there's on my app, on the media mod, not the app, but I have to change the leveling mic setting so that it gets rid of the wind that you hear. Well, my mask is open, so I like to ride with my mask open. I wear glasses at night, so I like to feel the breeze in my face. Okay, gotta concentrate. There's all these little... Okay. They didn't do it. They were looking like they were ready. I gotta switch lanes real quick. Anyway. I could barely hear myself talk because of my earplugs. So we're gonna get Greek food? That's what we're doing? We're gonna get Greek food. Checking over my right shoulder because I was like, they were making me feel funny. They were feeling funny. I knew it, and they were feeling funny. Did you see that? I stopped in third gear and it cut off. That moved up, I don't know why. So yeah, I think we're gonna get Greek food. We're gonna show. It feels good. Beautiful out. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I forgot who sings this, but it's Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, you are. Come fill with your Let's switch over. A little bumpy. Okay. Yeah, so nice ride. This is my neighborhood. This is Fort Worth. Well, this is my neighborhood, but this is... Whoa! Let me get over here. Okay, you're serious about it. I get it. I get it. This is not... Well, this is North Beach. So I've been in Fort Worth since 2022, excuse me. I came down here because I put in for a transfer at my work to a different position. And I was actually trying to go to Reynosa, Mexico. But I ended up getting this position. It's a wonderful story in a sense that I would have been homeless. I was trying to get a place to stay. And what happened was, gotta shift down. Everybody stopped. Don't be running into the back of a car. That's not a good day. So, yeah. And then, long story short, the people that were in my house, that I live now, they were moving back to India. And I lucked up. And if I hadn't lucked up, I would have had no place to stay. Because at that time, the housing market was really bad. So people were moving to Texas from California. And they had cash. And I couldn't compete with that, like, you know, $200,000 of cash. They could just get, so. Now, in hindsight, I wish that, I'm not saying I can't say I wish, but where I live in an HOA, and God knows, let me not say it that way, and everybody, I mean, we all know that nobody likes to pay HOA fees, but I was in a bind, you know, and I didn't know anything, I didn't know anybody. I'm down here in Texas all by myself. All my family lives in another state. Oh, the wind kicked up. And anyway, so it worked out. I live about 6-7 minutes from where I work at, but I'm hybrid, so you know, it's, you know, it matters, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because Thursdays and Fridays I work from home. But anyway, that's the long story short. That's where I live at, because let me get over here because I am definitely going to get me some. I'm gonna get some Greek food. That's what we decided. I just gotta get over here. Downshift. Oh, cars right there. So. All right. So, is it open? Ooh, that'd have been a bad day. That would have been a bad day. I'll hear traffic controlling. So we made it here. Starbucks is right next to it. All right. Off she goes. And she goes. Kickstick down. So yeah. All right, so we're here. This is Stop and Go Gyros. I'm gonna go in here and eat, and then I'll be back out and take it home and call it a day. Let me turn this, what do you call it? Thing off. Power off. And now I can turn this off. Okay guys, I'm back. And get this camera turned on. So that was good. The food was good. Had a Sprite to go with it. Let's see. I never knew Dutch Brothers was like a restaurant. I thought it was a paint store. Same thing for Tom Thumb. Don't know why. For those people that live in North Carolina, I know that for a long time I thought the ABC store was a convenience store, and then it was a liquor store the whole time. And I was like, one day somebody was asking me, "Hey, can you go get something?" I was like, "Oh, I just go to the ABC store, get some bread or something." He was like, "Bread?" I was like, "Yeah, in the ABC store, the convenience store on the street." And he was like, "That's a liquor store." And I was like, "Ain't no way that's a liquor store." And sure enough, it was a liquor store. And I was like, "I've been coming in this store all this time. Driving past the store all this time, thinking it was a regular store." All right, I don't know. So, yeah, a little story of my wildness, my madness. You figure I should know better, right? All right, let's see. I don't know where we're going now. We're going home. I know that. What time? It's 8:34. Oh. Backing it up like a U-Haul truck. Oh, I didn't even know that was a neighborhood over there. Oh, let me get my pants right. My knees so they'll be comfortable when Alright. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go crazy. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Let's get down. Da-da-da-da. That was Prince. Alright, we're gonna head up North Beach. Let's just head up North Beach. Oh, I know what I'm missing. I turn that. Turn that on. Oh, I don't know what's going on with my music. Oh, I know exactly what's going on. So, I know exactly what's going on. I think I turned the volume down because I was watching some YouTube about what's going on in North Carolina right now. Oh goodness, man. You never know, man. What those people are experiencing right now, the flood, similar to Katrina, and what the government is doing. At least what I'm hearing. So, I don't know. We'll just pray for them. Alright? This quick trip. I need to fix my volume. I'll fix it. Just go over here for 1 second. Go here for 1 second. Take that off. Alright. So, let's see if the volume is met. The volume is up. So why is... I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I was trying to play some music and the volume is not. Power off. Okay. at the settings. Let's look at the volume, notifications. Nope, don't need that. Let's go with the sounds. Ringtone alerts. Looks good. Alright. So I know that I have this, good. Okay. Now let me turn this back on. Power's on. Oh, I heard. Okay. Volume's up maximum. Volume's up maximum. So I have my earplugs in too, so that's probably not helping me, because I can't hear jack when I have my earplugs in. But we got it fixed. We're good to go. Not using no GPS or nothing right now. Oh, okay. See my hand placement right there? Because I know where I'm at. And just in the event, no whiskey throttle right there, because you go straight into the store. That would not be good. That guy. Let him go. Let's see. Looks good. Alright, we're gonna go towards North Richardson Hills real quick. How's it going? I know everybody says you're just too friendly. Please see me. He does. I'm still in first gear though. It's easier to be nice though, isn't it? Easier to be nice than it is to be mean. Like, being mean is rough, man. I mean, don't get me wrong. You have to stand your ground. And, you know, say no and all the other things that come with life and everything. But it's so much easier to be mean, to be nice, to be mean. Being mean, you gotta, oh my God. It just takes a lot out of you. Puts you in a bad situation. This light is long. I think I might go up. This light's red up here too. Just trying to be careful to turn. I didn't want no gravel. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. Turn my light down. Beautiful. Like when you're up and you can see like the front. Miles per hour. That's right, go ahead. That shit light's coming on my left. You're good to go. Something so beautiful, beautiful. Prime is always on the move. Looks like they've got a detour. There's a little detour. Something's going on the road over there, as you can see. Might be a time to turn around. Beautiful ashes. The road is blocked, so it's gonna be a minute. Give it a little rev. So engine, we're at 201 degrees. It's a beautiful night out though. I'm surprised there's this many cars, but in this case I understand why it's this many cars, because there is a detour and there's cars going down there, but I guess it was the on ramp was the situation. Alright, here we go. Oh, somebody's getting in that lane. I think I'm gonna turn around. Yeah. We're just gonna turn it around and call it. Go back the other way. Everybody's kind of stuck right here right now for a minute. It is nice though. Denton Highway, 18 feet 2 inches must be the clearance, it says. We are stuck here at the light. Zipped up. Just checking, make sure everything's zipped up. Give it a nice little rev. So it doesn't stay idle too long. Oh boy. This is a long light. Yes, it is. This is a long light. I can't see the stars tonight either. I'm sure they're up there, but I don't know. Yes, it is a long light. Oh, I see the other one's turning yellow, so. I don't have to go the way around. This is Denton Highway, that's right. Yay! We're moving. Oh, be careful, police is out there too. That's right, you can go by me. You can go by me. You can go by me. chilling. Majesty. Let's try to. I was trying to come to like a stop, but he was just gonna hold it there for long. And I couldn't hold. I was just stuck pausing in the air. I just couldn't hold it any longer. Like, come on, somebody roll forward. And it didn't work out for me. But I tried. My pause skills, they're getting better. Just remember, I got about 2.5 months in, with the first month being in the parking lot. Even though you might see me going places, I'm going there and I'm just doing it. One of the things that I found about, I can't say every bike community, or my bike community, everybody's in a rush to get, ZX6, 750, 6 whatever. And then a lot of people that I know that have bikes, I can't say no personally, but they're on sites and stuff like that, they don't even ride. They don't ride. And then like what people like to do, this is just my opinion, I could be completely wrong, but what people like to do, they like to be in the groups thing. So everyone say, hey, I just got my bike, I'm ready to go in a group ride. I was like, you just got your bike and you're wanting to go riding with 200, 300 people? God bless you. Because there is, the thrill of riding with others. And, the acceptance, validation of being, I don't know what it is, but I just know I'm not even ready. I have no desire though. That's just me. And everybody's different. I have no desire to be riding with all those people. I rode for the day with my friends, associates, friends, bikers. And so this one guy, he came in, he had a ZX. And dude was all over in the traffic. And I immediately, we went to the gas station, everything was cool. And it's like, hey, we're gonna ride to Dallas. It's like, you're gonna ride to Dallas. Because I'm not riding with him. I was like, you ride reckless. I ride like I wanna go home. Ride like you wanna go home. And then, there's something I was thinking about today was like, you see that car? I mean, they didn't care about for their own life. They definitely care about the car that was in front of him's life, because it's like, they don't care. And I get it, and to impress what? I don't get it. And I was thinking, so guy, girls backpack and stuff like that. The guy's like, yeah, she's got my backpack with me. I was like, so ride like you got a backpack with you. Stop riding like you don't care about her. Ride like you care about her. That's what I would say. Ride like you care about the person that's on your bike. And when you're riding with people, ride like you care about the people that are with you. I think that's respectful, right? Don't you? I mean, am I wrong for saying that you should ride like you care about the people that you're riding with, the group that you're riding with? Acceleration right here. Oh, it's great. Oh, that restaurant's packed for some reason. Coco Shrimp is packed. What's going on today? Well, maybe that's just people in the parking lot. Okay, I'm paying attention to what's around me. Cruising along. Ninja 500. So that's my, like, I have my bike, right? So I knew that there was a big step. I felt it. I went to the MSF. That was my first experience riding a motorcycle. And like I said, you know, so I ride jet skis, and obviously it relates in some things. The laning, maybe the throttle control, but the jet ski throttle is a little bit different. Balance, you know, and yeah. So my first experience was the Z125, which I had rode, and the what do you call it? The MSF course, and then my bike came like as soon as I finished the MSF course. And my first time getting on a bike, I realized it's like, this is a big difference, huge difference, huge difference. And that was just me saying it's a huge difference. And so I, you know, like for me, I definitely don't. Yeah, maybe I could have, because, you know, maybe I'm a little bit mature, and you know, I understand, you know, you have to respect the bike. It's, you know, it's a machine, and you know, maybe I'm not saying I would have, not saying, but I'm still not used to my bike. My bike has 451 cc's, not a lot, right? But it's a lot for me as a person that's been on the bike for the first time ever. Ooh, I don't know what I was doing just now. So anyway, so that was my first experience, was on the 125. I made a video. Well, I can't say I made a video of that, but you know, I did whiskey throttle coming out of the parking lot, just going around the corner to my house. I was like, whoa, what was that about? And you know, because, you know, it is different jumping from a 125 to 450. So I can imagine the people that, because my throttle, I had to get used to that, right? I had to get used to my throttle. See right there, I have to get used to my throttle, learning how to control my throttle, and learning my own hand placements. So I can only imagine what it's like for a person starting in a 600 liter bike, which is the throttle response is more than my throttle response. And one of the things that I learned, I didn't realize that. So when I first had my bike, I you know, when you're breaking it in, when they took it back, when I took it in for my initial maintenance, and they put everything to spec, and I realized that so they even tightened up my throttle and everything, so it had even less play. And then I was like, oh wow. So I can only imagine to those bikes that have serious immediate throttle response, what that would have felt like. Now obviously, you know, I'm different because now I have some experience, and you know, it's different. But if I would have started initially, I don't know if I would have, I probably wouldn't even be here right now. I don't know. So, concentrate on that turn. And I'm still learning how to, like, when you shift, do you gradually let go of the clutch? Do you immediately let go of the clutch? I've seen videos, I've seen people's hand movements. I want to be smooth with my shifting. I don't want it to be like, you know, I'm tearing up my clutch and I'm just revving with the engine. I want it to be smooth, like, you know, the way it should be, the way it was designed to be. Anyway, so yeah, so that's what I see people that get these bikes and stuff like that, and you know, they gotta get an R6. Oh man, I gotta get an R7. I gotta get a ZX6. I gotta get a Z10. I gotta get and God bless you, nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm not condemning anyone, but what I am saying is that I know people that have the 750s that do not ride their bike and say, oh, you know, I'm afraid to get on the highway and I'm afraid to do this and that. And there's one girl was like, I'm going to turn my bike, because I got a 650, but you know, I just can't get the hang of it. And I was like, well, why don't you just trade your bike and get an R3, get an Ninja 400, get a 300, something that, you know, you're comfortable with, that's not going to scare the life out of you, because a lot of it is that, you know. And then you want to tag along with people on these huge group rides, and it saddens me because there's so many people that don't caution people and are willing to let people go out there like that. And I look at them when I say, you know, this is something that I say, and you don't have to listen to me, but I tell people, ride with people that care about you. I don't care about the bike. I don't care about how fast you're going. Ride with people that care about you as a person, because that's the most important thing in riding when it comes to riding with people. If you're riding with people that don't care about you, that's sad, right? That is sad, because, you know, God forbid, right? That's fine. I want to ride with people that care about me. It's like even when I'm riding with people and we're going places. If I'm riding with a bunch of people and we're going places, I was complaining about this the other day, and you're in the lead and you're not looking back and making sure that all your chickens are there, so to speak. That's not good. It's like, oh, and I get it, you're riding your own ride, but you're riding with other people and you're all responsible for each other. So make sure you're looking back for people. Make sure you're going with a speed that's comfortable for everybody, especially for the new people like me. Like the other day, we were on the highway and the speed got a little crazy. And don't get me wrong, my bike can keep up. My bike can go, all right? I know it's a 500. I know I can do 125, 130. I know that. That doesn't mean I want to do 125 or 130. And other things, like, I have a job. I need my license. You know what I mean? I need my license. I'm definitely not trying to go to jail. I'm definitely not trying to compete with anybody. And so, you know, people need to be considerate of that when they're riding with you. And that's my little spiel on that, you know. And just remember, I said this. If you don't remember anything else, ride with people that care about you. And get the bike that you're comfortable with, right? Get a bike that you're comfortable with. Because ultimately, you're the one that's going to ride it. Right? I had to concentrate because that was a yield. I hate those things. And we're about to my neighborhood. Let me get this turned together here. Yeah, there we go. Because, you know, places like that can have sand and stuff like that, so you really need to, that's just me, this is my opinion, that sand coming around the corner can, you know, be slick. Or water, you know. So just get yourself together, get your head right. Like that. See, got my head right. Because you never know. Now, if you come flying around that corner, oh my goodness. When they come flying, you never know. So get your head right. That's all I'm saying, is get your head right. And keep your head right. All right, so we're back in my neighborhood. But anyway, so that's my number one thing. Ride with people that really care about you. Ride your ride. And get a bike that you're comfortable with. That, you know, you can actually learn and get better on. And I ride with two people with 300s. They are more than fast enough to do highways. I'm telling you this for myself. I know this one is an open, an MT-03, and that bike can go, has great throttle response, and the other one is a Honda 300. Both of those bikes can do highway, no problem, no problem. In fact, the girl that leads our ride, Miss Speedster, Mauve, has the Honda 300, and she was the one that was leading when I was telling you that the ride got a little crazy. She was the one that was leading because she likes the speed. So and I had to catch them. So I'm giving you an idea of how fast that she can go. Obviously, she's like doesn't weigh much. She doesn't weigh much at all. But that gives you an idea of how fast you can go. So, and it's not really. I think it's more having the ability to ride safely, because anybody can do this. Anybody can twist the throttle. Anyone can do that. Anyone can do that. A kid can do that. You see kids come over, so you know that anybody can do it. The important part is being able to ride and be able to control this machine that you're on, and being one with it, so that any circumstances come in, you feel safe. All right, guys, I am home. I had a gyro today. I'm happy about that. One more day tomorrow. TGIF, right? Friday. Pay some bills, of course. Let me get off this machine here. Get this garage door open up. Yeah. So, yeah. That's all I got for you. I'll let you see my bike again. So it's right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's beautiful out though. Oh, this is no, that's actually a plane. So, yeah. That's all I got. Hope that you enjoyed my ride and my little spiel. God bless you guys. Go in peace. The Lord bless you and keep thee and watch over thee. Good night, people.